Are you experiencing issues with the buttons on your Windows device? If so, don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face the same issue with their buttons not functioning properly. But fear not, there are a few simple solutions that you can try to get your buttons working again. First, make sure that your device is up to date. To do this, go to the Start menu and click on the Settings icon. From there, click on Update, Security, and then click on Check for updates. If there are any updates available, install them and restart your device. Next, try restarting your device. This simple step can often fix a variety of issues, including problems with buttons. To restart your device, click on the Start menu and then click on the power icon. From there, click on Restart. If your buttons are still not working after trying these steps, try running a troubleshooter. To do this, go to the Start menu and type Troubleshoot into the search bar. Click on Troubleshoot Setting, and then select Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and click here on Keyboard. Now run the troubleshooter and see if it can identify and fix any issues with your buttons. Also, it's possible that something has been stuck under the keys on keyboard. To clean your keyboard, run compressed air or a microfiber cloth back and forth across the upside down the keyboard to dislodge any loose debris that may be hanging out around or under your keys. If you notice something is still stuck under a certain key, try tilting the laptop to different angles to get it out. If none of these solutions work, it's possible that there may be a hardware issue with your device. In this case, it's best to take your device to a qualified technician for further examination. I hope that these steps were able to help you get your buttons working again. Please don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.